Welcome back to Stories for Kids. So now we are reading Indian mythology, and this is the episode 2 for Indian mythology. If you have not heard the first episode stories, go back and check the podcast or the YouTube channel for the episode 1 stories. So let's start today's episode with Rama and Lakshmana. King Dasharath's children were taught by great sage Vashishta. Though all four were very bright, Rama was the best and most adored. One day, sage Vashishta came to King Dasharatha and told him that two demons named Maricha and Subahu were troubling the sage. He asked King Dasharatha to send his brave sons, Rama and Lakshmana, to fight two demons and enable the sages to perform their rituals. King Dasharatha sent Rama and Lakshmana with the sage to the forest of Dandaka. The brothers kept a strict watch outside the sage's hut, but while the rituals were going on, 5 days passed peacefully, but on the morning of the 6th day, a thunderous roar was heard. All looked up to see an approaching army of demons clouding the skies. Rama aimed his powerful arrow at Maricha and hurled him into the sea. The next shot at Subahu killed the monster immediately. The two brothers then easily defeated the rest of the army. The next story is the marriage of Shiva and Parvati. The king of the Himalayas, Himavatha, and his wife Meena Devi were devotees of Shiva. They wanted a daughter who would grow up to be the wife of Shiva. So Meena Devi performed tapasya to please Gauri Devi, wife of Shiva. She sat and prayed for days on end without any food and water. Pleased, Gauri Devi promised to be born as Meena Devi's daughter. Gauri Devi jumped into a fire and died. She was then reborn as Meena Devi's daughter and named Parvati. The first word in that she uttered was Shiva. She grew up to be a beautiful woman. Meanwhile, Shiva, who was very sad at the death of his wife, had started a long meditation. Himavatha was worried that Shiva would not accept Parvati as his wife, as he was in deep meditation, and requested Narada to solve his problem. Narada told him that Parvati could win Shiva over through prayers. So Himavatha sent Parvati to the place where Shiva was meditating. Day and night Parvati worshipped and served Shiva. Though pleased with her devotion, Shiva decided to test her. He disguised himself a young Brahman and told Parvati that it would not be good for her to marry Shiva, who lived like a beggar and had nothing. Parvati got very angry when she heard these words about Shiva. She told him that she would marry no one but Shiva. Pleased with her answer, Shiva came back to his real form and agreed to marry Parvati. Himavatha performed the wedding with great splendor. Now, in the next story, we'll know about Lord Vishnu. So, let's learn. Vishnu is the preserver of the universe. Along with Brahma and Shiva, he make up the Holy Trinity. He is depicted as having 4 arms and standing on a pink lotus. The first hand holds a conch shell, which indicates the spread of the divine sound Om. One hand holds a discus, which is a reminder of wheel of time and to lead a good life. One hand holds a lotus, which is an example of glorious existence, and the fourth hand holds a mace. He travels on the swing flying eagle, Garuda, and often shown resting on the coiled body of a Sheshnag in his abode. The goddess Lakshmi is the consort of Vishnu. It is believed that Vishnu had 10 avatars of forms, the most popular being Rama and Krishna. Vishnu is yet to appear in his 10th incarnation, which is believed to arrive when the world will be on the brink of complete chaos. So with this, I am ending today's session. If you love Indian mythology, please let me know by commenting. If you are watching this from my Facebook channel, or maybe you are watching this from my YouTube channel, or you are listening this in the podcast, you can join my Facebook group and you can comment there that if you like this Indian mythology series. With this, I am ending today's session. Thank you. Bye bye.